Today is a very special day for Mount Allison. Dr. Sutherland will take the oath as our 16th President and Vice-Chancellor.
Today is about the future. It's about having somebody at the helm that prepares this university for what must be the immense challenges. This is a university that stays true to its roots and continues to reinvent itself. And for Mount Allison, our future is in great hands.
Dr. Ian Sutherland, you are now to assume the office of the President and Vice-Chancellor of Mount Allison University.
Simply stated, universities exist to make the world better. And that is an awesome responsibility. The kind of learning, the kind of scholarship, the kind of research, the kind of creative activity, the kind of engagement, the kind of work that happens at Mount Allison every single day. The world needs great universities. The world needs Mount Allison.